Do you want to be able to create a Bitcoin Cash invoice quickly and easily so that you can receive Bitcoin Cash payments for goods, services, or anything else? Thanks to Blockonomics, it's quite easy to do, and I will walk you through that today. But before I get started, I just want to remind you to like and subscribe. We have a lot of great videos about Bitcoin Cash and everything else. Thank you for doing so. So I'm over here on the Blockonomics Bitcoin Cash website. That's bch.blockonomics.co. And there are two main ways to create an invoice. The first way is to just simply put in a receive address right in here into the search bar. Grab it from your wallet, copy it, paste it right in there, and then you can click on Create P2P Invoice, and then enter in a description, enter in how much you want to be paid. Let's say I want to be paid 100 USD, and then click on Create Invoice. That's created. You'll be given a link. You can copy this link and paste it in here, and send it to the person who needs to pay it, and they'll be able to scan that QR code or grab that address, and you've got a invoice right there with the amount of Bitcoin Cash you need from them. The second way is through the Wallet Watcher tab. If you have set up your XPub on the Wallet Watcher, you can go to Wallet Watcher and then click on Receive and click on Create an Invoice, and it will automatically create an invoice for you with the correct receive address, and you can do the same thing and enter in the amount. It's that easy, that quick, so that you can be able to receive Bitcoin, send out a Bitcoin Cash invoice to your customers or to your employer, and be able to receive that Bitcoin Cash quickly and easily with a direct invoice right here that shows exactly how much Bitcoin Cash you need. Thank you for watching, and I hope you tune into other videos.